The evolution of AI marches on, and now on our hands we have the world's first AI-enabled operating system. This has been released by Versus Technologies. Versus Technologies is a next-gen artificial intelligence company developing a type of artificial intelligence that eclipses the capabilities of current machine learning technologies through an AI method called as active inference AI, which primarily mimics the activity of biological organisms and how the human brain operates. Versus has created this operating system called as KOSM, in which any developers can build an intelligent smart app on top of it, enabling democratized AI app development. The difference between the normal apps and this app is that the normal apps, as you can find on Apple's App Store, they are siloed applications built individually for singular purposes like banking and various other methods. But Cosm OS, the smart apps are networked together with an intelligence knowledge graph, providing exponentially extended opportunities for building applications that can truly augment our existence within our real world as well as any virtual space. Versus called these individual apps COSMs and refer to them as intelligent agents or IAs, creating a network of distributed intelligence that enables each intelligent app to self-optimize and evolve in knowledge, updating in real time as circumstances, relationships, and states of being alter and continually change over the passage of time. KOSM OS serves as the operating system that seamlessly merges augmented reality and virtual reality technologies, bridging the gap between the physical and digital eras. With KOSM OS, users can effortlessly transition between the real world and immersive virtual experiences, redefining the way we interact with our surroundings. This convergence of realities offer endless possibilities in entertainment, education, and lot of other industries. But one word of caution is that we need to make sure that we don't lose genuine human connections which are needed to be there in order for us to survive and thrive. I hope that you found it interesting. If you have any feedback, please put it in the comment section. Thank you.